The NoobTube YouTube channel, day 87. This is events that occurred on November 25th, 2022. So today was my 16th wedding anniversary. Married my wife 16 years ago on this day, and we celebrated the day. I started my day out with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. Then I did ACA sales. We closed a little bit early because of the holiday, so it's just I don't understand it. So we were closed on Thursday. On Friday, Black Friday, they were open till 5 p.m. and then they were closed. And then Saturday is to be like a normal day, a full day, because it is the height of open season, open enrollment. So, but I only had to work till 5, and then I called it a day, which was good because we took my wife out to dinner to Olive Garden, and then I had did some solar business. I joined the Go-Getters Club Black Friday special where I'm going to get leads for my solar business. So I bought some leads from that, and then did some little bit of remote wellness academy, and that was pretty much it. Just relax and enjoy the day. Good holiday weekend, Thanksgiving, and then my anniversary. So it's a very good productive day, and just grateful for all the things that I have in my life, my family, and I'm glad to be able to share these events with you all. So thanks for watching. Tune in tomorrow, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon.